If you are watching this video, you have successfully completed this online course and congratulations are in order. Thank you for enrolling for this online course. We trust that you have enjoyed this online learning experience and that you have learned a lot. Before we say goodbye, just a little information about EDT College. The ETD in ETD College stands for, the E is for education, the T is for training, and the D is for development. The word college is defined as an institution for vocational, technical, or professional instruction. Some examples are faculties like law, real estate, and continuous professional development, and often forms part of a university. We will be launching more online courses like this one shortly, so watch this space. We wish you all of the best with your career as a professional property practitioner, and we hope to see you online again soon.